I've been listening to Romance Untold this whole weekend and I can't decide which concept or which version of the album I want to get because they're all so pretty. Also, out of all the songs, Royalty is my least favorite at the moment, but I feel like it's gonna grow on me, so we'll see. Lately I've been skipping mascara. I'm too lazy to remove it at the end of the day, so I just put on eyeliner. Because I'm not applying mascara, I like to define the eyes a little more using eyeshadow just by smoking out the liner. Nothing too special. Again, this is like my really lazy makeup. I've always been curious if my eyes are upturned or downturned, or I don't know what shape my eyes are. Do you ever just like look it up and try to match it with the chart on Google and you just can't find your specific eye shape? I'm gonna go back to my eyes later and do my face. I filmed the TikTok yesterday and I am the least active on my TikTok. I don't know what it is about TikTok. I just get so overwhelmed and that's why I've been more active on here lately. So let me know if you guys have been enjoying these vlogs because I know I usually post more beauty related videos. I don't have a white powder, so I'm just going to use this white eyeshadow. I've always wanted to try this lip balm from Prada. I know Sabrina Carpenter featured it on her Please 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 music video. Honestly, I don't know if it did anything, but at least we tried it.
We're gonna cook it first?
Yeah. Ano natin yung yan, nag-iisa.
My eyes are getting watery. Thank you.
It might be. This is zone. I don't know. Oh, the chili one. I think we should get water. This goes for ice cream.
I think if we can't get water, we're gonna get ice cream.
Sorry.
Like her friend. This is actually a fake friend.
This one?
I just knew it was this one when I saw the pictures, right?
Me too, but then I saw this one and I
got 15 minutes back.
Get them both at this point.
No.
I will be the one and only man that you can be proud of in this world. Will be like, for you are more special to me than anyone else. No, he doesn't. Stop. What kind of magic did you cast on me that makes my heart break only for you? See, they're just making it like, yeah, well, they already are.
I have a few packages that arrived this week, so as always, let's unbox it. If you guys are wondering what I do with all these products, I usually give the ones that I don't use to my family and friends. I'm still watching Princess Royal, and I think they released all the episodes. I just need to set time to binge watch it. I take binge watching quite seriously. I need to be in my comfy pajamas, and I need to feel relaxed in order for me to watch a show. We got some more skincare products from Centennial. Got some sunscreen, some cleansers. Definitely I'm keeping this because I need more sunscreen. I'm also still rewatching When I Fly Towards You, but I'm just taking my time on that since I already know how the story ends. Introducing YSL's new Candy Glow Tinted Butter Balm. That's so pretty. Let's see. This is shade 3B Rosewood Blush. I also hung out yesterday, and I'm telling you guys, my social battery gets drained real easily. So right now I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing the best that I can with the energy that I have. Maybe I should make a video trying all of these new products because I'm sure you guys are interested to see if it works and how well it looks. I got chicken joy, jolly spaghetti, a yum burger, and a side of gravy. I also got a pineapple quencher. You know what's so funny? This is basically pineapple juice with tons and tons of sugar. I love Jollibee spaghetti, and it's so funny to me when people try Jollibee for the first time and they're thrown off by the sweetness. Is it the best spaghetti out there? No. But I think so many Filipinos love Jollibee just because of that childhood nostalgia that we grew up eating. So I don't get offended when people don't like Jollibee or Filipino spaghetti, but for me, I love it. That is so good. That is so good. I just get so happy when I eat Jollibee. I love chicken joy with rice, but I always get it with spaghetti. Of course, you have to dump it with the gravy. Sometimes I just get a spoon and just... I love this gravy. Oh, it was so good. I know they have adobo rice, but I just found out that they only have that in the States, not in the Philippines. I kind of want to try it, but I love my mom's adobo, so I don't know. Can I live up to that? I don't think so. We got the yum burger. Got this in the gravy too. Anything tastes good with the gravy. I'm gonna turn off the camera now and eat my Jollibee in peace. I just saw that the Princess Royal is finally on Netflix, so if you haven't watched it, I recommend you do. It's about the main leads traveling back in the past and rekindling the romance. I believe the series just finished, so I do plan on binge watching and finishing the series by the end of this weekend, and let's see if it's still good till the very end. I hope it is. I really hope it is, because most dramas, sometimes they turn really bad at the end, so we shall see.
你会你个头！哎，那是我误会你了，你这眼睛没事吧？别！你怎么过来？想你了呗。